Hello dear student, in class 6 chapter number 4 we are in the first part of this lesson. So ultimately we are going to see introduction because this is the first part of this video. So here we will discuss about what is line, what is segment, what is ray. Then on the basis of this you can solve exercise easily. So here in the introduction part, first you should know what is geometry. You must have some idea about that word. So geometry has a long and rich history. The term geometry is the English equivalent of the Greek word geometron. So geometry means it comes with the two words, okay, geo and metron. So geo means earth and metron means measurement, because in day-to-day life we are in come with many objects. Like if you see the circle, means football is having circle shape, your TV set, then table, it is having different shape like a rectangle. So cylinder is also having cylindrical shape. So many shapes comes. Square also come. Our room shape, our block where you are living, there the room size can be of square size, it look like square. So different shape comes, and many times we have to think about the measurement also. So for doing the measurement we use some instrument like scale, tape and the many more. So what happened, this entire concept, it is come under the geometry, okay, means it is just it is having the concept of measurement. And what measurement we take the measurement of different object, where the object may have the different shapes, okay. So that thing we will discuss related, and these topics coming under the concept of geometry. So first one is point means geometry concept start with the point. By a short tip of pencil mark a dot on paper. Sharper the tin, thinner will be the dot. This almost invisible, we cannot see sometime. Will give you the idea about the point. So here you observe the tip of compass, okay, this is also the point. The sharper end of pencil and the pointed end of needle. So by using needle, very sharp dot is there. Sometime it is not visible also. So by using this dot you can create the different shape, you can draw the line, you can take their distance measurement also. So this point will be read as point A, point B, point C. Of course the dots have to be invisibly thin. Line segment. So it has the two end point. It is denoted by the line segment AB, means upside of at the head of AB line is there. So if you consider this diagram, you observe there line segment is present. It is having the fixed length. It start with A, end with B. Means we cannot extend that point. Here also we cannot extend its end, because what happened, this is what the starting point and this is what the end point. If its length is 3 centimeter, then its length will be fixed. We cannot change that, we cannot increase that, and it is denoted by AB. Upside line is there. Here one more example, suppose you are keeping thread, this is the starting point and this is the ending point, so it has the fixed length. The following are the some models for a line segment. At the edge of box you observe this length, it is the fixed length, and in the tube light also this is the starting point, and this one, next one is their ending point. So here the edges of the postcard, you can see here the line is there, this side also fixed length is there. So what happened, their length is fixed, we cannot change that, comes under the criteria of line segment. Now the next point is line. Now you see this diagram again. So here this line is there, and basically the line name is M, you can give the L also, or you can say PQ is a line also. So it extend in the both direction, that is very important point. We can extend this in different direction. For example, you can extend this line, you can extend, that's why here the arrow is given. Arrow means we can extend its length from that particular side. So it contain number of points. Okay, it contain countless number of points. Here only 2 points are there. You can keep here one more point, here also point, means many points are there. Sometimes a line is denoted by letter M. So here M is there, or this is the PQ, means here the point is P and here the point is Q. And upside you observe this line, the arrow is there from here and from here. It means that we can extend that line from both the side. That is what the concept of line. Intersecting line means what happen here, two lines are there and they cross at particular point. That is what intersecting lines. If two lines have one common point, they are called intersecting lines. Parallel line means very simple concept is there, friend. Two lines are there in this case, and these lines are opposite line, you can say, and they are parallel, means they do not meet. If you extend also this line, if you extend it, and you can extend this one, but you extend up to end or whatever it is, but they will not meet each other, or you can say they will not intersect. They will be exactly parallel. Here suppose the distance between their gap is suppose 2 centimeter, then here also 2 centimeter. It means they are parallel. They will not meet each other if you extend that line also. So here these lines are called parallel lines. We write AB parallel to DC. Here one more line is parallel, AD is also parallel to BC. Here also you can say D is parallel to AH. Like that you can specify. Next one is ray. Ray is a portion of line. It starts at one point and it goes endlessly in the direction. We denote it by AP. Here the direction of arrow is in one side. It means you can extend it from only one end. This is what the concept of ray. Beam of light, from torch also ray come, sun ray also rays come. Means if you observe carefully, their source start from particular point. This is the sun, fixed position, but here once the ray come, it will reach there. Okay, there is no limit for that. Here also ray, it is starting from here, but it will reach to particular point. Here also it is starting from particular point, but here there is no distance limit. So that's why this is the ray concept. For denoting the ray upside in the head position, we denote it by arrow. This is what the symbol of ray. So this is one more example of ray, AP, because only one side arrow is there, this side arrow is not there. So I hope friend you understood the concept of rays, line and line segment, and this concept will be used in the exercise part. So thanks for watching this. Thank you.